Hey everyone! If you want to create professional social media posts without using complicated design software, Pixlr makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you how to create social media posts in Pixlr from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and access the editor from your dashboard. Once you're logged in, start a new project. You can either choose a social media template or create a custom canvas size based on the platform you're designing for, such as Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Next, upload the images you want to use in your post. These could be product photos, personal pictures, logos, screenshots, or other graphics related to your content. After uploading your images, arrange them on the canvas and resize them as needed. Try to keep the layout clean and focus so viewers can quickly understand your message. If you need to remove backgrounds from images, use Pixlr's AI background removal tool. This can help important subjects stand out and create a more professional design. For the best results, keep designs simple, use high-quality images, maintain strong contrast, and focus on one clear message per post. And that's how to create social media posts in Pixlr in 2026. With its templates, AI tools, and easy-to-use editor, Pixlr makes social media design quick and accessible for creators of all skill levels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.